Hey guys, it's Robbie here, and this is FrekiFitWolf. It's Sunday, so that means it's time for another week's weigh-in. Alright, so this video is probably going to be pretty short. I'm not feeling so great right now. Got a major headache right now. I don't think it's going to be a migraine, but it's like a sinus one, I guess. It's right across my eyes. My stomach feels all blah blah. It's not feeling that great. So let me just quickly recap my week. That's what I like to do on Sundays before I give my actual numbers. And I decided I'm not going to go into detail of what had happened. Like, I had a binge. I always feel like I want to explain those a little bit because everybody does have different definitions of what a binge is to them. And I feel like some people just overindulge versus the mindset of a really actual textbook binge. And you know what? It doesn't matter. Whatever it is to you, if it doesn't make you happy, if it's something you shouldn't have done, if it's something you wish you didn't do, if it's something that you feel a little out of control about, that's a binge. So that happened to me this week. I went crazy overboard, and it wasn't pretty. I ate everything and anything, and it wasn't on a Sunday when I am almost allowed to do that. So it wasn't great. So I proceeded to the rest of the week do my best to make up for it. I did get exercise equipment, and that's another factor for today is I am really, really sore. I took yesterday off, but I'm going to do it again today if I feel better. Hopefully I do, because I don't feel good at all right now. I don't think I'm getting sick. Like, cross your fingers, guys, that I'm not getting sick, that it's just something weird. Because last night I fell asleep at like 8, and then I woke up at 1:30. Then I proceeded to stay awake until 6-ish, then fell asleep for another, looks like an hour. So my sleep schedule's all wonky. I don't know. Things are weird today. Sorry, I'm not energetic and all that like I try to be. And sorry, my hair is a hot mess. I went in there and I started to do my hair, and I was like, I can't right now. My head hurts too bad. So you just got to deal with this just for today's video. I promise it'll be combed better next time. But yeah. So anyway, I proceeded to the rest of the week. I behaved. I made salads. I made tuna salad boats. I tracked. I did wonderful. Stayed within my points and didn't stay too far under my points. Behaved as best I can. And then, like I said, I also worked out. If you didn't see my last video, I bought some kettlebells, which Aldi, guys, they have amazing deals right now. They have kettlebells for $20. I also got some jump ropes, or a jump rope. I don't know what you call them. Horrible at them. I got these handle extenders for doing push-ups, which is kind of great because then when I do a push-up, I can go down without just laying on my stomach. Because I'm like, should I go all the way down? Because that's basically me laying on the floor and getting back up. But so I got that. And then yesterday, I actually got one of these thingies, the Power Fitness Band, just because in one of the videos I was watching online for the warm-up, they were using that. So I was like, well, it's a couple bucks at Aldi. Why not grab it? So I did. So if I feel better today, I'll be doing that later today. I'm trying to not use the excuse of not being able to go outside or not wanting to go outside mentally because of anxiety issues, to not do exercise. So I'm still doing them. And those things really work. So like my thighs are sore right now, up here is sore right now. So it's good. It's working, I think. And it's a cardio while you're doing it. But anyway, so that was that. Nothing else super exciting going on this week besides the mess up and me trying to get better from it and learning from it like that. And I'll talk more about it on Tuesday. But as far as mindset goes, there's a whole nother level of when you do have those moments, then just forgiving yourself and moving on. Luckily, I've mastered that. It's going to happen. It happens every once in a while. Very rare, but there's a whole nother level to it. So I'll address that Tuesday when I'm feeling better, mainly because I already recorded it. But yeah, so that will go up Tuesday. And so let's get into the actual numbers for today. It went like I thought it was going to. So starting weight 376.8. As of this morning, 322.6. So that means I gained 2 pounds this week. But I am still down 54.2 pounds. And I'm not upset about it, y'all. Like, it's a 2-pound gain. It could have been a lot more in the past. When I have had those type of moments, it could easily turn into a 5-pound gain. I mean, look back at Thanksgiving, I think it was, where I did gain like 4 or 5 pounds that week. It happens. I'm going to lose it again. And if anything, I kind of mentioned it in one of my videos this week. I'm kind of glad that I didn't lose this week, because if I had a binge moment and proceeded to lose weight that week, that could make it easier for me want to binge again, because I lost weight that week, I just make up for it the other 4 days. So I'm kind of almost grateful that I didn't lose. I was hoping that I would just break even, but it is what it is. So also going into mini goals, we've seen these numbers before, the last time I weighed this. So to get to the 316.8, I have 5.8 more pounds to go. So I'll get there very soon. And then Dragon Con goal, that goal to get to 263 by Labor Day weekend, I would need to lose 59.6 pounds. Again, just real quick, if you don't know, Dragon Con's a big nerd convention. It's I'm looking forward to going. It's the largest fan run Comic-Con that exists, and it happens every year on Labor Day weekend. And also to clarify, I don't like time limit goals, so I am shooting for the 263, but I don't like giving myself deadlines. So if I hit it, awesome. If I don't, I'm not going to be upset. It is just a long-term goal to keep me focused, and that's with keeping in mind to average a 2-pound loss every week. May or may not hit it. And either way, it's still something that is reminding me of what I want to do, what one of my goals are. So yeah, hopefully your guys' week went better than... Hopefully your guys' week went a little bit better than mine did. And hopefully you're doing well. And I am going to call it there because, like I said, I am not feeling well. I'm going to try to lay down for a little bit and see if this headache can go away. Get away from these lights. And, yeah, because my roommate has friends coming over tonight. So I need to feel better so that I can help clean and all that. Because, yeah. All right, so anyway, comment, like, subscribe, all that stuff that I usually ask for. And until Tuesday, I'll talk to you guys later.